Hello, my fantastic family, friends, and fans. Happy midweek and also happy World Peace Day. Today, being the 21st of September, is the World Peace Day. I wish to plead with all of you, everyone, to do your best for peace to reign in the world. So many lives have been lost. Things are not getting better despite all efforts. I think we need to do more. It's not just about praying. More actions are required to make peace truly reign. I urge all my fellow ambassadors of peace and all leaders of every angle, be them in the little communities, in the federal level, national, international, all hands should be on deck to achieve this. Please, let us truly make this big difference. We don't need more wars. We don't need more people being displaced, more homes destroyed. I beg you. I don't know how else to say this. We really need to put our heads together. Do whatever is necessary. Please, let us make the world a better place for everyone to live. Enough is enough. Having said that, I am sending loads of love, hugs and kisses from here in Spain to you wherever you live. And please help me to make the world a better place for everyone. Be kind, be nice, and share love and peace. I love you all. Bye-bye for now.